Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to Embellishments on 11th, hosted by Dell Pokes Crafty Cottage here on YouTube. Everyone that's participating will be in the description box below, so go ahead and click on that and check out and see what the creations that they've made for this month. This month, I chose to use some inspiration from a Dollar Tree sticker. This right here, it's a cute little doodad embellishment, right? Just a circle and a piece in the middle. So what I did is I used this Marvy scallop circle punch, and I used a die set, portion of a die set from Sizzix. It's called Let's Celebrate, and here's the number. And I also used some shimmer mist, broke out some old school stuff, and some assorted papers, and I created these. They look like that. So at first I was going to make them all like monochromatic on top of each other. And some of them kind of don't look like they go together, but they all go together. The papers all kind of match up. And you can see that shimmer on the butterfly. Now what I did not do, I guess I could have put like a little word or something on here, but I didn't. I wanted to use some jewels, some flat back jewels, but I didn't have any colors that I thought would look really pretty on here. I don't have any small clear ones. I had some big white, some big clear white ones, but I feel like they didn't complement. It was just like a big, it would have been a big eyesore. And so all these papers are like scrap papers that I've been using over the last couple of months, year or so. And this is how this one looks. I like this one a lot, I think, but my favorite, we haven't got to my favorite yet. They're all the exact same. I like this one a lot as well. So you can just put this on. You can put this on another embellishment. You could put this on a rosette. You can do anything you want with them. Actually, you can definitely do some fun stuff with them. This is very pretty. Some of the colors picked up the shimmer mist a lot better than other colors. And I think that's probably just how I sprayed it on, to be completely honest. It was some watercolor paper that I used. It was already prefabricated. I didn't do anything to it. This is my favorite one. I'm not sure why. I think because they're all so contrasting that they all match. Like this is striped paper. This is a little stars in the background. This is polka dot. And just, I think it's just like, yeah, look, I'm really pretty. So here is my creations for this month. I hope that you please click on the description box below and check out all of the other creators in the collaboration and get some inspiration from them for your own embellishments. So thank you all for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.